Alright guys, today in Roblox Studio, I'm going to show you guys how to make a music player that'll skip songs, display the current song, and also mute the music if the player don't want to hear the song. Let's dive in. First thing you want to do, you want to add a screen GUI and a starter GUI. Name that screen GUI Music GUI. Add a sound instance called Music. Add a local script. Name it Music or whatever you want to. Add two text buttons. Name one Mute, one Skip. And then add a text label as well and name it Current Song Display or wherever you want to. Just reference it in the script. All right, we got everything added. These are two text buttons and our text label. So now we're going to go into the local script. We got variables for mute button, skip button, the text label, current song display, and the sound instance of the music player. All these was parent the script. And then we got a variable for the marketplace service, which where we're going to get the song IDs from. And I'll show you guys a quick example how I got the song IDs. So we just go to roblox.com, go to your creative tab, then go down that creative tab. There's a store tab, hit that store tab. Go to audio. On the audio, you can either add it to your inventory in studio with the get audio, or you can copy and paste the song ID, which is what I did. So once you get the song ID, copy and paste it, come back to your table, name it whatever you want. I named this songs, and then your table, you just add the song IDs right here. Just make sure that your last ID you add doesn't have the comma behind it. So see here, if we add a comma, it'll error. Well, it won't error, but I don't think it'll work. All right, so just leave it like that. That's your table for the song IDs. We got function to shuffle the tracks. We're gonna index the track numbers. And then we're gonna do a math.random right here with the first track. So it won't play the same track continuously. It'll at least try to randomly select your tracks. We got variables for skipRequested and isMuted with booleans to set to false. We're gonna activate the button with a connect function and if statement if it's muted, then the volume of the music will be 1, and then the mute button text will be mute, and then we have a boolean for the isMuted will be false. And then we do an else statement for the music player, dot volume equals 0, then that mute button text will be unmute, string will be unmute, and then the boolean for the isMuted will be true. And then we're basically doing the same thing for the skip button. We're going to activate it, connect it with a function. Then if the music player is playing, the skip requested with the boolean will be true, and the music player will stop. We have a while true do to shuffle the songs again, and then we'll do an index the song ID and iPairs with a parameter for songs, and then we'll do musicPlayer.sound ID, which is the song ID I showed you in the table, and then we'll do a string for that as well. And that it'll actually show the name of the song when the music is playing. And then we'll load the info with a success and song info variable with protected call function, and we'll return the marketplace : get product info with the parameter song ID. And then we'll do a song name equals success and song info.name or a string for unknown song. And then we'll wait for the sound to load with an if not statement for music player dot is loaded, then music player dot loaded : we'll do a wait. And then we'll play the song with a music player dot time position equals 0, music player : play, and then current song dot text, which is that text label, will have a string for now playing with the song name. And then we'll wait until the song ends or skip button is pressed with a while true do, music player is playing, do. If skip requested, then skip requested boolean will be false and it'll break. And then we'll do a short task wait of 0.1, and then we'll go down to the current song dot text and it'll do a string for loading the next song. Short script, very functional. Anything you want to use for your game with music that players don't want to hear music, they can use this script, mute it or skip it. Now we'll dive into the studio so I show you guys that the script works with no bugs. All right, so right now we're hearing a song called Time-Wise Play. Say, hey, I don't like this song, let's mute it. Now we don't hear it. We hit the mute button again, and then now it's like, I want to hear a new song. Let's hear a new song with skip. And then we'll play a new song. That's how it works, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Short, simple script. Use it for your games that have audio or maybe customize it to fit some other needs for your games. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye.